First, remove the outer leaves of the cauliflower. Wash and then dry the cauliflower. Turn the cauliflower upside down and carefully remove 4 florets. Refer to the video for sizing. Place the 4 florets into a microwave vented mug. Add 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Place the lid on the microwave vented mug and open the vent. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Remove from the microwave and leave to stand for 1 minute. It will continue to cook in this time. Carefully remove the lid and pierce the cauliflower with a fork to check it's soft and cooked throughout. If the cauliflower is still hard, return back to the microwave for 1 minute. Leave to stand for 1 minute before retesting. If necessary, repeat this process until the cauliflower is soft and fully cooked. This video uses an 800-watt microwave. Cooking times can vary between different microwaves. It is important that you check the cauliflower is fully cooked before moving on.